Okay, perfect square trinomials, we're going to be factoring those. And that's when you see that the trinomial, we have these two ends, the first term and the last term, are perfect squares, and the middle term is double A and B. Okay, so let's just take a look and see what we can find. Example number 1. So I'm actually going to factor this out like I would before. I'm going to find factors of 1 with the sum of 2. Factors of 1 is 1 times 1 equals 1, right? So that 1 plus 1 equals 2. And that's exactly what we want. So this would be x plus 1, x plus 1. So it's x plus 1 squared. As you can see, this is a perfect square. This is a perfect square. And if we take the square root of this, which is 1, and the square root of this, which is x, and times that by 2, we got 2x. So we really didn't have to go through this whole process to get the answer. So let me do this again, but how to check to see if it is a perfect square trinomial, so we don't have to go through this process. So what you have to do is you have to find our a. So our a would have to be the square root of x squared, our first term, right? And that would be x. Then we would have to find b. The square root of b would be our last term, square root of 1, which is 1. Now, if we go 2 times 1 times x, we should get 2x. 1 times 2 is 2x. That's exactly what we want. Therefore, this is the factorization. We just jump right there. Okay, so let's try it again. So we're going to look at this. Our a is the square root of x squared, which is x. Our b, square root of 16, which is 4. Now 2 times 4 times x gives us 8x. 8x equals 8x. So this is a perfect square trinomial. We have a minus, then a plus, so that means it's going to be a minus b squared. And that's it. And the more we do these, the quicker it is to factor this, and we won't have to write this first part out. We can go look at it and say, oh, this is a perfect square trinomial, therefore it is this way, which I'm not sure why I went a minus b. Sorry, it's x minus 4. And there you have it.